Hi guys, hope you are doing great. In this video, I am about to solve O-level mathematics syllabus D from this book exercise 2.4 question 1, 2 and 3. Here question 1 says if ABCD is a rectangle such that AB is equal to x minus 3 centimeter and BC is equal to 2x minus 7 centimeter. So here question A asks if the area of the rectangle is 12 centimeter square, then we need to make an equation in x and reduce this equation to x square minus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. So now from figure, as we know, the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So here the value of length, that is AB, has been given, and this is x minus 3, and the breadth, which is BC, and the value of length, that is 2x minus 7. So thus we can make an equation from this area, and the area has been given in the question, that is 12 centimeter square. So now we can write x minus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 7. This is the area from the figure we got, and the question has been given the area is 12 centimeter square. So if we multiply x by 2x, it will be 2x square, and x multiplied by minus 7, it will be minus 7x, minus 3 multiplied by minus 2x, it will be minus 6x, and minus 3 multiplied by minus 7, it will be plus 21. And if we take over 12 from right side to left side, it will be minus 12 is equal to 0. So if we calculate this one, we will get here 2x square, and here we have minus 7x and minus 6x. It will be minus 13x, and here we have plus 21 minus 12. Then it will be plus 9 is equal to 0. So as question asks to make an equation and reduce that equation in this form, and we got our question A answer here. Now come to solve question B. Question B asks to solve this equation giving the answer correct to two decimal place, and we have to find the length of AB also. Okay, now come to solve the equation. The equation we have, that is 2x square minus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. So from quadratic equation, as we know, if there is a equation like x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are constant and x is only variable. So if we find the value of x, then we can write x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So here From this equation, we get here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 13, and c is equal to 9. So if we put the values of a, b, and c in the equation, then we will get x is equal to minus b, and the value of b is 13. It will be minus 13 b, then plus minus square root of minus 13 square minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9, and that is the value of c, over 2 multiplied by a, and the value of a, that is 2. So if we calculate the values of x, if we take the plus value, we will get x is equal to 5.71, and if we take the minus value, we will get x is equal to 0.78778, like this. So if we round up this number, we will get 0.79. So now the second part of the question asks that we need to find out the length AB, which is x minus 3. So we can get the value of AB after putting the value of x. So here we have two values of x, but we cannot use this value, because if we use this value, there the length of AB will be minus length, as the length never can be the negative value, so we cannot use this value. We should use this value only. So here if we put the value of x, and that is 5 minus 71 minus 3, then it will be 2.71 centimeter, and that is our final answer. Now come to solve question B. It says if ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is equal to 3x plus 2 cm and BC is equal to x plus 3 cm and AD is equal to x minus 1 cm. Then question A asks if the area of the trapezium is 10 cm square, we need to show that 4x square plus x plus 25 is equal to 0. So now come to solve this problem. As we know, the area of a trapezium is equal to half multiplied by the summation of parallel line, that is AB plus BC, multiplied by the height of the trapezium, and that is AD. So here the value of AB has been given, that is 3x plus 2, and the value of BC, that is x plus 3, and the value of AD, that is x minus 1. Here it will be multiplied by x minus 1. So if we reduce this expression, we will get 1 over 2, that 3x plus x, it will be 4x. Here plus 2 and plus 3, it will be plus 5, and here we have x minus 1 also. So this is the area of the trapezium from the figure, and the question has been given us the area of the trapezium. So now we can make an equation using both information. Then we will get this area is equal to, you can write 10. So if we calculate this one furthermore, we will get 4x multiplied by x, it will be 4x square. 4x multiplied by minus 1, it will be minus 4x. 4x multiplied by 5x multiplied by x, it will be plus 5x. 5x multiplied by minus 1, it will be minus 5. And for and in right side you will get 2 multiplied by 10, it will be 20. Here we have 4x square, here minus 4x plus 5x, it will be plus x. Then we have minus 5, and if we take over this 20 to that side, it will be minus. Then minus 5 and minus 20, it will be minus 25 is equal to 0. And this is the question A asks to do. Now come to solve question B. It asks if the It asks to solve the equation and calculate the length of AB, giving you the answer centimeter corrected to significant figure. Okay, now first we need to solve this equation to get the value of x. So we have 4x square plus x minus 25 is equal to 0. So as like before, from quadratic equation we can write x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, where a is equal to 4, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 25. So now if we put the value of a, b, c in this equation, we will get x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 25 over 2 multiplied by a, and the value of a, that is 4, means 2 multiplied by 4. So if we go further calculation, you will get two values of x. If you take the positive value from here, we will get x is equal to 2.378. If we round up this value, we will get 2.38. And if we take the negative value from the equation, we will get minus 2.628. So you can write it minus 2.63, and this is the final value of x. Now the question also asks to find the value of AB, and that is 3x plus 2. So now to get the value of AB, and that is 3x plus 3x plus 2. So if we put the value of x here, we will get 3 multiplied by the value of x, that is 2.38 plus 2 is equal to, if we calculate this value, we will get 9.13. So if we round it up, we can write it 9.10 centimeter. So the final value of AB will be 9.10 centimeter. We cannot take minus value here, because if we take minus value, then the length of AB will be minus. So we need to keep it in mind that we should take the value of x so that the length must be positive. Now come to solve question 3. It says in triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Okay, fine. Then AB is equal to x centimeter, BC is equal to x plus 3 centimeter, and AC is equal to x minus 2 centimeter. When this is the case, question A asks from an equation in x, we need to make an equation, then we should reduce that equation to 2x square minus 2x minus 13 is equal to 0. When this angle is 90 degree, so this is the right angle triangle. So for right angle triangle, we know the hypotenuse, square of hypotenuse, that is AB. It means AB square is equal to summation of square of two opposite sides, and that is AC square plus BC square. This is the theorem of Pythagoras. So here BC square. So here if we put the value of AB, that is we will get 2x whole square is equal to the value of AC, which is x minus 2, then we will get x minus 2 whole square, plus we have the value of BC, that is x plus 3, then we will get x plus 3. So x plus 3 whole square. So if we go further calculation, we will get 2 whole square, it will be 4x square, and here we have x minus 2 whole square. So as we know the formula of a square, that is a minus b whole square, it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if we apply this formula here, we will get x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square, and here we have x plus 3 whole square. So here we also know another formula, that is a plus b whole square is equal to x square plus 2ab plus b square. So if we apply that formula here, we will get plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. So if we reduce this one, we will get x square plus x square, it will be 2x square. Here we have minus 4x, and here we will get plus 6x. Here we have 4 plus this one will be 9. So if we reduce this expression, then we will get 2x square. This one is minus 4x, and this one is plus 6x, it will be plus 2x. Here we have 4 plus 9, it will be plus 13. So if we go further calculation, we will get If we take this value from right side to left side, then we will get 4 x square minus 2 x square minus 2x minus 13 is equal to 0. So plus 4x square and minus 2x square, it will be 2x square. Then here we have minus 2x minus 13 is equal to 0. And this is our final equation as the question asks to do. Now come to solve question B. It says we need to solve this equation and give that answer correct to two decimal places. Okay. As like before, we need to solve this equation. The equation that we have 2x square minus 2x minus 13 is equal to 0. So as like before, we know a quadratic equation, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac over 2a. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 13. So if we put this value in the quadratic equation, we will get x is equal to minus into minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 2 whole square minus 4 multiplied by 2 into minus 13 over 2 multiplied by 2. So if we go further calculation, we will get two values of x, and one will be 3.098. So if we round it up, we will get 3.10. And if we take the negative value of root, we will get x is equal to minus 2.098. So if we round it up, we will get minus 2.10.